Dongguan, Guicheng Bags Products Company Limited, is one professional case supplier in Dongguan, China, which established in 2017 and grow very fast in recent years. Our company mainly produce a wide range of hard cases, including VR glasses case, stethoscope case, card binder case, speaker case, laptop case, and some other tool cases. Most products are shockproof, protective, and compatible. In 2023, we have more than 1,000 existing designs for optional. With a high-quality professional production team and the most perfect production system, which has got the ISO 9001 quality management system. All products are verified with REACH, RoHS testing to make sure the quality, customer comes first, quality guarantee, and on-time delivery is the enterprise mission. Guicheng also have a professional technician support, high-efficiency sales team, and competitive price superiority. Then attract customers from all over the world. We export to over 40 countries, including USA, Germany, France, Netherlands, and Middle East, etc. After more than 6 years' experience on service of Amazon FBA, trading, and sourcing, we provide 7 days sampling service and MOQ 300 pieces of each item, as well as labeling, warehousing, and shipping services that help user buyers to expand their business. Welcome to our factory, and we will be the best partner for your custom case. We are ready to make your own OEM and ODM business now.